Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access OneDrive on a different computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where your system tray is located. This is the area near your clock and volume controls. You'll notice the OneDrive icon sitting there among your other system icons. Go ahead and click on it and a small OneDrive window will slide up from the bottom. This window gives you quick access to your OneDrive settings and recent activity. Now to access OneDrive on a different computer and sync your files, look at the top right part of this OneDrive window. You'll see a gear icon there which represents your settings menu. Click on this gear icon to proceed. When you do, a small context menu will appear with several options available. From this list of options, click on Settings. This will open up the Microsoft OneDrive settings window, which is where you can manage all aspects of your OneDrive account and configuration. This window contains various tabs and options that control how OneDrive operates on your computer. Once the settings window appears, navigate to the left-hand menu where you'll see different categories. Click on Account to access your account settings. This section displays information about your current OneDrive account and provides options for managing multiple accounts. Within the Account Settings menu, you'll see an Add Account button. This is the key feature you need to access OneDrive on a different computer. Click on the Add Account button, and this will allow you to sign into another OneDrive account on this computer. When you add your account here, it will automatically sync your files with a different OneDrive folder on this machine. This means you can access all your important documents, photos, and files from your other computer right here, making it incredibly convenient when you're working across multiple devices or locations. And that's it. You've successfully set up OneDrive to access your files from a different computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.